Hello guys, it's a sunny day here in Cebu and it's June and typhoon season pero papakain na rin agi ang typhoons but mao lagi ni recently we saw a lot of crazy stuff happening in sa mga video ba and mostly involved kids. It's crazy, di ba? But we're not gonna talk about it anymore because we've been talking about it for quite a while already, the past few drives. But today we're gonna talk about, di ba? Congratulate na tandaan sa mga kuhan ba? Basketball fans na lang for the Knicks just won the NBA championship and bago na sa nag NBA draft, di ba? So, ang sports na to karon is really kuan, it's a big basketball's a big business, I guess. And we have a lot of basketball heroes. Pag mo ilubong ang katong, one of the most controversial things that happened over the, let's just say, the summer here in Philippine sports, the death of Rene Baterbonia and Divine Adili. So pag mo ilubong taon si Bobet and even kato si Divine nilupad na siya na is back home. And I guess the cries of the parents, luwi kita na ng mga parents, makita sa mga parents pa na mamatians like anak na bata pa na with promising futures. Just imagine, di ba, karon mga basketball players in the Philippines, kung maayo ka mo duwa, you have opportunities to really to play not only in the PBA, for example. A lot of Filipinos are playing in Korea, in Japan. Can you imagine, di ba, imports na mga Pinoy, di ba? At napatay tayo na yung mga ABL and they be playing for Thailand, yan ba, mga Indonesia. And I guess manang sa nakasada na sa future kuan ato ba na sa prospects ato na imagine na nato future on the series to. So let's just say bisan na lang ang iyang kuan become a professional basketball player, let's say the next, let's say Arwin Santos, di ba? Imagine Arwin Santos had a great career in the PBA, pero lagi nakaroon lahi ng mga bata na yung mga opportunities abroad, even the young ones ang katong mga maayi ka like Carl Tamayo, UP before, kan Kevin Kiambao, they're kuan, even Renz Abando, they've been playing abroad, diba? Abroad, Korea, they've been dominating in Korea. Tapos kana silang Kiefer Ravena, mga Ray Parks playing in Japan. And in fact, diba naman nga namalik. I mean, there's always lipay talaga, their success stories. Nasa iba noon didn't pan out, but somehow dako kay silang sweldo. Diba? Let's say na lang ito 1 million a month sila. Plus. Di ba? At least na i-earn this Pilipinas. Kung mga tagdiri 500,000 na ilang maximum for 400 kapin. Pero ito 500,000 na lang mga bulo. Pero dako gihapon na 500,000 times 12, let's see. That's 6M a year. Pero katong mga kuan, I think more pa na kanang mga nagduwa gid sa kuan, halos double, triple paging uban. Naman yung hinayangan sa ubang basketball fans. The state of basketball. Philippines have always been a basketball loving country and we have our own share of, basketball stars. So bisag kung saan naman na we are still holding hope na maybe by lang sa atong lifetime, I guess. Bang Filipino born na makakuha na yan, will make it to the NBA. Diba? There are some close calls, but there are also many now makaingon dito na Filipinos at sila because they have one half Filipino, one fourth like Clarkson, Dylan Harper, but they're proud of them too. I mean, even Clarkson has represented the Philippines in the World Cup, diba? Naka-represent na sa national team. So manay nakanindot ana ba na. Hopefully. Masa to kung uban lagi like Jalen Green na nasa dugong Pilipino na sa to siya di kuan kay they want to make it yun sa US basketball team man if only gid lagi di ba na pwede pero okay ra mo sa nang di sila pwede di sila muduwa sa national team sa Pilipinas kay it will in a way deprive mautod pa nila ang pure na Pilipino slot in the national team but mahunay ko ana ba na hopefully we can see someone really donning the Philippine Philippine passport going to the NBA I mean playing in the NBA or drafted or playing just like what Alex Ayala is doing in the world of tennis and Alex has been representing the Philippines well although sometimes disappoint as results nila sometimes he gets first round second round exits but nevertheless seeing a Filipino in active in the tour diba in the world tennis mo apil og Grand Slams and even seeded 29th now in the Wimbledon and then now paired with Venus Williams playing so imagine those are legends na yung kuyog na nakaduwa siya diha so we're hoping na makakita tagi nga na marang sometimes man there are all skeptics why do Filipinos invest so much in basketball na wala pag-asa it's a game of height diba pero ningon mo ito but we love the game for quite a while na syaro man lang diba mo yung tagpuan naman yun ang gihapon who made it to the NBA na mas gagmay mura paggamay pa mas gamay pa sa Pilipino di ba naman di pa na gihapon taas so even Stephen Curry has been MVP for several times to change the game or what ba ito paano nahingana na Pilipino nahingana ra kadaka di ba? Kasi there's only 5 people on court every time magkonsolidita mukuan lang ba nakita chance and then mausa na akong kuan lang minsan ano gid basketball but basketball is also making money for Filipinos now di ba na ni argument ron sa una mo kita rin tanaw ko rin PBA our own entertainment but karon nagya ko yung mga fans ng PBA di ba na dakan kitang liga natin mga MPBL mga ligang labas dakan kitang view sa internet and there are ligang labas stars daw kuan or making good money week in week out like pareho ng kuan nilang Eman Calo di ba mga ingana ba mga panalay player ba si Vivian si legendary JR Kinian si Paka Mr. Paka makakita ta na dia si Paka si even Dondon Ontiveros still playing silang tungod na ng MPBL ba there are a lot of ako kay kuan madakan kay kuan I don't know I mean of all the sports malingaw gid yung mga Pilipino aning sa naman lingaw yung basket para namo we love watching it I mean of course there's World Cup although but our women's team made the Women's World Cup di ba lahi sad di ba karon ang men's team lisod yun kayo because the beautiful game na get the mga powerhouses but Asian teams are there in the World Cup dahan man sa slots so and even Iran, Iraq na magaling na, di ba? They make it in the World Cup. So, I mean, it's not too remote that Filipinos can make it too. So, medyo sporty nito to because, hey, somehow, one of the best pastimes for us is sports. Ako, I love to watch stories about sports. Kaya marapag nasa drama ang sports, but marapag there's something sa sports na I mean, growing up, I've been watching sports heroes, di ba? Dapat yung mga panahon na Crispa Toyota, Hinebra ni Jaworski. A lot of it are basketball memories. Even mga panahon na Bad Boy Pistons, Showtime Lakers, the Boston Celtics ni Larry Bird. Kabot pa ko ana. I've been watching them and I've been collecting cards. Ako yung mga rookie cards ni Anhing Kobe, Allen Iverson, di ba? what a batch it was, the 1996 draft. Diba? Even sa mga panahon lang LeBron James, diba? But sa Philippines, muna, we've had our share of sports heroes, mga boxers, from diba, mga Leopoldo Cervantes pa sa una, Unyok Velasco, pero from the professional ranks we had the golden age of the Alab boys also, mga Manny Pacquiao, Nonito, diba? The billiards people. So we're hoping for, this next generation of sports heroes to come. And hopefully wala mo lagas nila again kamo. And we always pray katong nabagay justice at unta. We'll know the story kang Rene and those people that may those people who were involved or were responsible should answer it. And may the parents, diba, the loved ones can find peace, diba, sa kanina hitabo. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.